Welcome to the Porsche Academy, your ultimate guide to mastering the art and joy of the Porsche ownership experience. In this video series, we're going to delve deep into all the features and the functions of our Porsche vehicles. At Porsche Academy, we understand that learning comes in various forms. That's why we've tailored our content to suit your needs. For complex operations, sit back and watch our comprehensive step-by-step guides. These longer videos are designed to ensure you make the most out of every drive with your Porsche. For quick insights, our short, concise tutorials will keep you informed about the latest features in our newest Porsche models. Hey, we're here to enhance your Porsche experience one feature at a time.